And special thanks to our friends at Syncwire who were nice enough to send us this magnetic phone ring holder. This one is off-white. Let me open it up, show you what it looks like. So inside the box, you get a nice user's guide showing you how to put it on your phone, and then you also get, oh, look at this, metal ring positioner. So with this here, you could position these metal rings on the back of a phone that does not have a magnet. So the iPhone 12 and up series all have the magnetic backs. Of course, Android phones do not. So with this, you could take an Android phone and use this with it. And then lastly, the actual ring holder. So it easily pops out, and of course, it just magnetizes to the back of your phone. So this is an iPhone 13. And it just pops right on. You got a nice Syncwire logo there, and you can turn this however you may want it, and of course use it to help hold your phone, or a lot of people use them as kickstands. That's another thing that these are great for. So that'll essentially do it for this Syncwire iPhone ring holder. Thanks again to Syncwire who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.